My whole entire life, I've dreamed of creating a large shop that's production, but yet controlled like it's a two-man operation.
This is probably the best auto repair service I have ever found, and I have lived in 7 different states.
We're not a normal mechanic shop. We do everything. We don't work on just Hondas. We don't work on just, Buicks or whatever. We work on everything here.
I bet we've had 20 different vehicles serviced. Everything from a Ford Taurus to GMC Yukons to a bunch of Jeeps to Range Rover to Audis. I mean, it's just been a pretty large parade of vehicles that have been in and out of Steve's shops.
Steve, the owner's standards are very high quality here. If you were to rate it from 1 to 10, it'd be an 11.
Steve is very customer orientated and he's very detail orientated, both him and his employees.
All-American and Parker, they are overly honest. They go out of their way to take you and show you exactly what's wrong with your own eyes and explain the process. And then when they do the work, it's done properly, it's done quickly, and the price is right.
Parker Four-Wheel Drive is what good old-fashioned service used to be like. It's what you would expect, 50 years ago from a mom and pop shop. That's my recommendation, is go to Parker Four-Wheel Drive.
They have great attention to detail. They don't oversell anything. If you need it, you need it. If you don't need it, you will never have to buy it from All American.
We pride ourselves on doing the right thing, on inspecting vehicles thoroughly, doing the job efficiently, making sure that we're not here just for a paycheck, and that we take pride in what we do.
And I mean, that just takes it to another level. It's not just basic repair, it's handcrafted repair.
And we're not just servicing a vehicle, we're taking care of people here.
I'd give him the very highest of recommendations because the work and the detailed work that he does meets by far my expectations.
It could be small, it could be big, but I've always been taken care of in a timely manner. They go above and beyond. Even with warranty work, that's extremely rare. They stand by their product and stand by what they do.
I'm Steve Dunn with Parker Four-Wheel Drive Auto Repair in Parker, Colorado. And what we do is repair and maintenance on all SUVs and four-wheel drives, and we specialize in Jeeps. Give us a holler, call us. We're gonna take very good care of you.